Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a plum sauce. It's very easy and very nice recipe. You can definitely make at home. And let me tell you that is one of my favorite sauce, plum sauce. So let's note the ingredients with me. So here we have dried plums, 1 pound, and we have melon seeds around 3 tablespoons. Then we have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, then 1 teaspoon of vinegar, almonds 100 gram, and I took half a cup of sugar. You can add according to your taste also. The next step is I took the 3 cups of water and it's almost boiling now, and I'm adding the plums inside. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm gonna put vinegar inside. So it's been almost 7 minutes now, so it's time to put almonds, melon seeds, chili powder. Please note the sugar we will add at the last. Mix it well. Now it's the time to add sugar inside. And once you add the sugar, mix it properly. And then a pinch of food dye. This much. Look at this, friends. Wow, it's so delicious. I haven't tried yet, but I know. And I just turned off the flame, and I'll show you. Let me dish out. Here you go. So friends, look at this. Please try this recipe, this plum sauce. I would say you would definitely love this sauce. If you haven't subscribed my channel, DHABA, please subscribe my channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. Bye.